Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. I think for many of us, autumn is our favorite time of the year, especially here in North Idaho. I've already started seeing the geese flying last night. When the nights become cool and the mornings are crisp and you start to see the turn of the leaves, it's very exciting. You get the crock pot out. It's just a special time of the year where there's just a richness of colors. And this is absolutely celebrated in this quilt designed by my friend Anne Sutton of Bunny Hill Designs. This is called Autumn House. And you can see the rich colors are just incredible. When I have actually loved Anne's pattern for so long. This has been out for many, many years. And I've actually been waiting for the perfect combination of Anne's amazing design with the right fabric. And I knew that designer was Kim Deal. She is a forever popular fabric and pattern designer. She creates fabric for Henry Glass. And it's these rich reds, these teals, these golds, these just amazing, like spicy oranges, and just you can see the richness of this is incredible. And so I am so excited that after admiring Anne's pattern for it's got to been a decade, I think, and now seeing the right combination of Kim's fabrics, this is the perfect marriage. So you give me a few minutes of your time. You want to be a part of this block of the month. I have been collecting fabrics for this for actually a couple years. I cannot add to the spots of this block of the month. Sometimes we can do this. Sometimes we can have a reprinting. That cannot happen here. I've used several different collections. Some of Henry Glass's kind of more basics are our backgrounds here. And those intense colors are very much Kim Deal and other things I've added in as well to really just land this entire amazing 10-month block of the month quilt. And of course, Anne has been so wonderful to us along the years. She knows our customers love prefuse and laser cut applique shapes. So as you've come to expect and just enjoy the convenience of having all of this prefuse and laser cut for you, I love that part, right? And I get to use Anne's amazing layout diagram. She does such a great job with her pattern that when you have your light box, that layout diagram, your applique mat, and those shapes, you're able to pre-assemble all of those shapes together so you're moving them as assembled units. And I like that Anne has put some patchwork in there. There are quilts sometimes that are either all patchwork or all applique, and I've always enjoyed that most of Anne's patterns are a combination of a little bit of patchwork here, for the quilter in us, as well as the beauty of her amazing drawings and her applique designs. So with any type of project like this, we offer you two options. The backing option, this is a Henry Glass fabric, and then you can see that's your outer border. Be sure to pick that up when you reserve your spot in the program. Again, limited amounts of that. And this is the thread set that we pulled together once we had all of our shapes cut. We put them under the background, we get out our thread box and we pick the perfect color, and that's the thread set. That's your other option. So again, when you reserve your spot, be sure to reserve your backing as well as that thread set. What's on the table here? Let me talk to you more about that. Notice you see a little bit of embroidery floss and buttons. Those will be included in your kit. I know that Anne loves to just add those little touches of embellishments and a little bit of hand embroidery. It just, again, adds just a very, very sweet component, I think, to all of Anne's designs. Now, the mullions in the windows, you could do that with hand embroidery, or in our case, we actually stitched that by machine. So we just drew the lines, kind of practiced a few times and kind of went for it. But there are little bits of hand embroidery, not too much, but that is something that is why you have the embroidery floss. And of course, all of the doors to these amazing homes need to have doorknobs, and that's why you have that button set there that'll be included. These are the literal notions that we use to put the project together. As a maker, you really know what you need and what you have already. The most important notion I touched on actually already is the light box. This is the wafer 2, and this is the larger applique mat. We use that combination in conjunction with Anne's layout diagrams to pre-assemble those shapes so we could bring those onto the background as assembled units versus one by one like we used to do in the old days. Nothing fancy with rulers. This is what we used. Some marking tools, of course, to be able to mark where your embroidery lines will be. We always recommend a temporary marking tool such as the friction pen and other things, right? Patchwork pens, thread, wonder clips. But the most important part, especially in something like this, where we absolutely cannot make more, is to get your spot in the program and bring a friend with you. Having a friend come over where you get to make your blocks together, share conversations, maybe share a meal, those are just precious moments we didn't get to have during COVID. So we're still making up time for that. So again, head to the website, take your friends with you to grab your spots, your backing, your thread set, and any notion you might need.